The DS230E scroll saw not only allows you to cut any kind of wood with commercially available fret saw blades, it can also be used for working with aluminium, PCBs and plastics, and that with a precision which even the ablest fret saw users would find hard to achieve. The height of the head can be adjusted in 3 different positions and offers the following advantages. Shortening the blade and adapting the head position increases the service life of the saw blade's manifold, as the full length of the blade teeth can be exploited in this manner. In addition to this, it is also possible to achieve even greater precision with a blade shortened by approximately 60 millimeters in the lowest head position. And all your wishes can be fulfilled by an electronic stroke rate control and longitudinal stop and mitre fence with a graduated scale. An integrated dust extractor adapter is also provided to ensure that both the saw and your workplace are kept clean. A vacuum cleaner can be attached to this feature, and we recommend our quiet and powerful CW-matic compact workshop vacuum cleaner. Blade guiding is assisted by its own blower. This ensures a clear view of the cut when working. The high-precision machined work table is made of die-cast aluminium, while the housing is a superior ABS plastic design. Saw blade changing is really simple. A generous opening in the housing facilitates access to the lower saw blade holder. This is covered during operation with a flap that can be easily locked and also serves as a storage recess for the key. The saw blades are stored in a practical compartment. Proxxon can provide a wide selection of saw blades for soft and hardwood, perspex, and soft non-ferrous metals. 3 fret saw blades with coarse teeth and 2 with fine are included in the delivery. Proxxon, tools with character.